If you want bigger, stronger arms, training your triceps is absolutely essential. Did you know that your triceps make up over 2/3 of your upper arm? That means building wide, defined arms depends mostly on these muscles. In this video, I'll show you 3 highly effective triceps exercises you can do right at home, no gym required. These moves will help your triceps grow stronger, wider, and more sculpted. Let's dive in. Exercise 1. Advanced diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups are a triceps powerhouse, and they also engage your chest slightly. How to do it. Place your hands close together in a diamond shape. Lower your body slowly, pause briefly at the bottom, then push back up. Performing the exercise slowly maximizes muscle activation and helps your arms grow faster. Do 3 sets of 12 reps for best results. Exercise 2. Triceps-specific dips. This exercise isolates your triceps to increase size and strength. You can do it on a sturdy chair or any solid surface at home. Place your hands on the edge, extend your legs forward, and lower your body in a controlled slow motion. Focus on feeling the tension in your triceps. Rushing through it won't work. Complete 3 sets. If you feel a warm burn in your triceps, it means you're doing it correctly. Exercise 3. Triceps dips, alternative version. This is another variation of triceps dips. No gym, no problem. Place your hands on a hard surface, like a table edge or between 2 stable surfaces, and perform the dip slowly and deliberately. Controlled movements ensure your triceps are fully activated. Tips for best results. Keep rests between exercises short, 1 minute or less. Long breaks reduce muscle activation. Perform all 3 exercises regularly at home for fast, noticeable results. Stick to the recommended sets and reps, stay consistent, and watch your triceps become stronger, wider, and more defined. If you found this video helpful, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple and effective home workouts.